I am the Alpha Wolf. This is the WolfPack Entourage Vlogs. Hey guys, what's going on today? I went out for lunch with our team captain, James Henry. We had fun, we talked, we had some good food. It was awesome. But here's the main thing. Me and James Henry got new haircuts. I look like him. Because he called. We got in. We had to wait for a little bit. He went first. Wait for him to get done. Then I went up, met the guy. Nice guy who did my hair. Then after that, I just got back. I got a few things, like eye drops, drink, and some Oreo candy bar, which I'm gonna have in a few minutes. Top myself over before dinner. So that's what I did today with our team captain of James Henry. Now I'm gonna get close for you guys. Now check out this style of my hair. Yep. Now everyone would love the Alpha Wolf. In a few minutes maybe I might probably put like an album on or something. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Maybe nothing, probably like relax for a little bit. And to my, when I was walking out of Hannaford, me and James Henry were talking, and he said it was getting a little bit warmer out. So, because tomorrow's going to be like in the upper 30s, like 37, 38. Then the next day in the 40s. And for a reminder for tomorrow, there is a season ticket holder party for the Thunder, and for the fans. That's at a hotel. I'm not going to say where. But they will have food, some PlayStation 4 games, Xbox game of of this game. So everyone can play this for a little bit, eat. I think there might be a major announcement, but I'm not quite sure. I think so because number one, last year when we had the season ticket holder party. Last year they announced the season tickets. They also announced the new jerseys. The new jerseys. Excuse me, guys. Sorry about that. And they also announced last year, like, new jerseys and new team colors from last year. This year, I don't know. But I will find out because I am the first one to know. Because, number one, I am their number one fan of all time. Because I go to every home game with different kinds of jerseys. I will wear my Thunder jersey. If we have a 5 game winning streak, I keep that jersey on. If we lose, I will put on something different. Like, I will put on my New Jersey Devils jersey. If we win 8 games, I will keep wearing that. If we lose, I will wear my Binghamton Devils jersey if they win 10 games. If they lose, I will put on a different jersey. There will be a link into the description. I want you, excuse me, I want you to follow my local hockey team and subscribe to my local hockey team. And somebody is trying to invade my...
Photobomb!
Sorry guys, sorry, the French wolf came in and said something. So, she's looking at me right now. She doesn't have to make an appearance if she doesn't want to. If she does, she can.
No, thank you.
Okay! So, anyways, if you excuse me for one sec, yeah? Okay, I'll see you later. Alright. So, anyways, guys, you need to favorite, like, share, and subscribe to the Wolf and to my local hockey team. Again, guys, I do a video. Somebody has to come in and do a invasion. I'm okay with it. So, right, you heard the voice again. So I'm okay with somebody coming in just talking and not popping in and saying hi to you guys, but everything that I try to do a vlog for you, somebody has to come in. But I'm okay with it, but I don't want to show their faces. So, which I said, you need to favorite, like, and share, and subscribe to me, and to my local hockey team as well. To me, this is important to me, because I hung out with our team captain, and I have a serious question for you. 4 questions for you to answer. Do you have a favorite hockey team? And what league are they? What hockey league are they from? 2. Do you actually hang out with them? For me, I hang out with my local hockey team. We go to the mall, we go bowling, we go out to lunch. We can do anything that we want to do. That's why I'm asking you, do you have a team that you enjoy, and do you hang out with them personally? I do. All my life. That's what I'm saying. I know people, I know the high up guys, the management, which I said, I know a lot about the hockey stuff. Do you? This will be a short vlog for now. Cause I wanna like sit and relax. So, anyways, turn on your post notifications, turn on the Thunder House bells, and be informed with every video. Another reminder, February 1st, I'm not gonna be here. Then the following week after that, I'll be in New Jersey. There might be a major surprise visitor for you, and it's the beast of Stonehenge who might ask you some questions and tell you what's going on, why I am in New Jersey. I told you before, I'll let him tell you. So, new video up later tonight. Now, I missed a little bit of Monday Night Raw. That's okay. But after the All-Star game was done, I went back to my wrestling show and watched it. But tonight, this So tonight is SmackDown Live, which I'll be watching. So, I'm okay with that. So I had to miss a little bit of Raw last night because one of our players who was with the Thunder made it to Toledo. Mike Zamutla. And he played. And if you want to know, the Eastern Conference won the championship because it was 3-on-3. A special tournament which they which they had, and my other friend who played for Toledo, Greg Wolf. You know what? I got a better idea. I'm gonna put in a different link also besides the Thunder, and that will be the Toledo Walleye. Please please subscribe to the Toledo Walleye as well, because of my friend of Greg Wolf, as he plays for them. Shout out goes to Greg Wolf. Shout out goes to Toledo. Thank you for having the All-Star game in Toledo. I wish I was there, but I couldn't make it. So I was there's more involved. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a follow up video about this later, because I wanted to talk to you about my involvement with different teams that I used to hang out with, and the owners of each team and stuff like that. I want to get into that. This is a series that I want to do because most of this is true, and I'm not gonna say of a certain player that did something nice, but I'm not gonna say who because it's too personal. So, anyways, the shout outs today are for Greg Wolf, the Toledo Walleye, and the Adirondack Thunder. Links will be included into the description. Alright, now, you need to do Wolf out. You need to leave comments. 3, you need to check out the new hairstyle again of the Alpha Wolf. Rock on.